Hello everybody, welcome back. It has been a while since the last video on this channel, and we've just reached 9,000 subscribers. I wanted to say thank you to all of you for helping me to grow this channel by watching the videos, commenting, subscribing, and sharing them. In this video, I just want to provide a very quick update on what's going on with the channel. So, existing video series update. The work on the existing series will continue, and you can expect more videos in From Python to Rust series, where we'll learn Rust programming language together by porting our Python bioinformatics code to Rust. Tools programming in Python with Qt series, where we'll learn how to create GUI, graphical user interface in Python with Qt library, by adding UI, user interface, on top of our Python and Rust code. DNA Toolkit series, where we create a basic set of functions to work with DNA, RNA, and protein sequences. This series is going to keep going, and we're going to be adding more functionality when we need it. Bioinformatics podcast and tips and tricks series, where we talk about bioinformatics field in general and take a look at software, tools, and other bioinformatics related things. On top of that, I'm planning to launch a new exciting series. It's going to be called Genome Toolkit. We will use our DNA Toolkit code to start writing actual genome processing code, so this should be very exciting. This is going to be our main and the most complex series yet. We will create complex algorithms to search for patterns, mutations, genes in DNA, perform gene assembly using graph theory, and much, much more. I'm really excited about this series because not only we're going to learn the complicated parts of bioinformatics programming, but we're going to build a curriculum. We will be able to build a set of tools we can attach to our resume when we apply for a job. And another exciting thing I want to announce today is I'm starting a rebelScience Bioinformatics Forum. There's a lot of subscribers and chat members that are interested in collaborating on a variety of projects, solving Rosalind challenges together, and just having a structured and constructive discussions. This forum will be private and invite only for some time until we build a small community of trusted and passionate members. The reason behind that is when communities grow to a certain size, and our community did grow, we have 700 plus people in Telegram and around the same amount in Matrix chat. And when communities grow to that size, you have two things happening. First is a lot of people start joining who don't really care about bioinformatics, and they just want to outsource the college work onto others. They're not interested in learning Python, bioinformatics, biology, or anything related to bioinformatics. They have their college work that needs to be done. They join and they spam their chat rooms with requests. And the second thing is, unfortunately, there's a lot of spam accumulating in these channels, and it gets really hard to monitor and make sure that the chat is clean and only bioinformatics related. So for that reason, we're going to keep it private and invite only. And there will be a forum announcement video with all the details shortly. We now also have something called a Bioinformatics Space in Matrix, with an additional private chat for our forum members. And let me give you a quick preview of the forum and Bioinformatics Space in Matrix. On the left-hand side, you can see a forum. It's clean, it's fast, and it's very specifically divided into topics. So it's really easy to start a thread in a very specific, let's say you want to talk about course and some Rosalind challenge, and it's tagged correctly. On the right-hand side, you see the rebelScience Bioinformatics Space. It has 4 chats, and one of them is a private chat for the future forum members. Okay? And the last thing in this video I want to do is thank all of you for your support. And a big thanks goes out to Kunj and Todd for their amazing Patreon support. Big thanks goes out also to Mike for his generous PayPal donation. Many more videos to come in 2022. Okay, so this is it for this quick channel update video. These are the social medias where you can find me in our community: Telegram, Mastodon, Twitter, library, Matrix, and our website. In the next video, we're going to talk about the forum and how to join the forum and our new Bioinformatics Space in Matrix. Until next video, Rebel Coder signing out.